Welcome, guys. So go back to our Math GRE 93 6 7 form. So 49 X be a random variable which probability density function is this, then what is the standard deviation? Okay, so let me remind you guys. That suppose this is called a PDF, probability density distribution. In this case, I just use the F. Okay. So continuous variable means that the F is a continuous function, at least on some interval. Okay. So basically, two important formula. One is expectation value is defined to be x, f of x dx. Okay, so this is the expectation value, and the standard deviation is square root of variance. So, what is this? So variance x defined to be expectation x squared minus expectation x squared. So expectation x squared just x squared f of dx. Okay, so this is so we need to find the variance standard deviation. So we first find the variance and then take a square root. Okay, so this is the procedure. Okay, so how about we just start? So f is this one, and the region is -1 to 1. Okay, so we first calculate the standard expectation value. So this is I mean, you don't have to do the integral, right? Because this is odd function. And this is -1 to 1. So odd function on -a to a, the integral is 0. So remember, do not do the integration because you don't have enough time. So f is an odd even function. So when you times x, then f is odd. The total integrate is even odd function. So total exactly is 0. Square, and unfortunately you need to do the integration. So let me do for you. So this is yeah, this is correct, right? So so 1 to -1, this is 1/4 minus 3/20 times 2. So this is 20 to 1/5. So 0.2. Okay, so variance is just expectation square minus expectation square. So this is 1/5 because this is 0. So sigma is 1/square root of 5. So the answer is D. It did not have any special effect. Why? Oh yeah, it changed. You see, it changed for me. Yeah, the answer is D. Okay, so 50. I don't know whether you guys already know the answer. If you remember something in the high school algebra, maybe you know the answer is the answer. Okay. Give you 3 sets of all points such that satisfy these properties. Then what's the results? Okay, so the easiest way is we just compute the determinant. Okay, and so in order to calculate quickly, then we just use Gaussian elimination. So I use Gaussian elimination to times -1 added into second row and the third row and the fourth row. Okay. So the first one is fixed. The second one is -1 added. So this is 0. -1 minus x. -1 minus z. And the 0 minus x. 1 minus y minus z. 0 minus x minus y 1 minus z. Okay, and this determinant is 0. That means that this is 0. So we calculate the determinant of this. Okay, and then we use a Gaussian elimination again. We use this one to cancel the probably cancel. How about we do this? Right, we use this one and add them together. So I preserve the second, but add the first two, but add these two. So I got 0, 1, 1. Right, it looks like we still have something. It looks like we still need something to. Let me see. So I times minus 1 and add it. So y minus 1 minus y. This is minus 1, and then it's plus d plus d. Yeah, so this is correct. Okay. And we can up to now it's very you can still do the Gaussian elimination on the first and the second. So let's try. Yeah, so there are multiple ways to do this, and I will show the much better way to do. But I just want to say that this method looks still okay. Right? So going to times minus 1 in the first row and then add it to the second row. So also I think up to now we can compute this, right? So this is 1 minus x, the determinant of this, and the plus y minus 1 minus z. Yeah, so minus z is 1, right? So minus 1 0 equal to 0. So the answer is x plus y plus z, which is 1. This is a plane. So the answer is a plane contains the points. Okay. Definitely not B, definitely not C, definitely not D, and then the E is not correct. So the answer is A. The answer is A. So let me show you the second method. Okay, so second method. Oh, so actually, for any kind of like this type of form, like 1 1 1 1, A B C D A G H K, then this is the plane. Meets. I should use meets or other type of verb. Meets A B C D F and G H K points. Okay, so actually this is this is the answer. But how do we show this? So basically this is the determinant. So determinant is linear in x, y, and z. So basically once you know that, you know this expansion must be something x, something y, something z. So this tells you that this must be a plane. Must be a plane. And how do we know it must meet A, B, C, and D, E, F, and H, H, K? The reason is that once x, so when you change x to A, B, C, then there are two lines, which are two rows, which are exactly the same in the determinant. So determinant is 0. So the same fact for the D, E, F, and G, H, K. So basically, since you already know this is a plane, and it gives you 3 points. So the answer must be plane meets these 3 points. So this is the quick answer for this one. So the answer is A. The answer is A.